Hi guys, my name's Brogan. I'm a customer success representative here at Vevox, and I'm going to be showing you our new reply feature on our Q&A board. So first of all, on the Q&A board, you can now manage the announcements up at the top. So you could have a few on here. So the one we're going to use today is any questions or suggestions about the summer work party. Perfect. So we can see it's published where it's highlighted. So we can just close out of that for now. So if for any reason you don't have time to answer the Q&A in person, or you wanted to use this as a bit of a follow-up after a meeting or session, then you could do so. So if we go onto here, more options, you're now able to respond to question types. So I can recommend a company for transport. Brilliant. Please send the details over to this email address. Will you data to dietary requirements? So if we go on the three dots, reply, of course, and then submit that with the arrow down here. When having a look at this on the present screen, you can also expand this to see the responses here as well. And participants can also do the same when looking in participant view. Well, thank you very much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks, bye!